Welcome to Moments with Lisa, and I'm Lisa. Hi! And today I want to do a Kroger's haul. Yes, I spent $37.25 at Kroger's today, and I want to show you. And usually, when I shop at Kroger's, I only buy food or items that I have a coupon for, that's on sale, or that is just reasonable price. Other than that, I don't shop at Kroger's. But I shop at Kroger's. But I only shop at Kroger's to get certain price. I'm only going to spend so much money. Hey, they're not about to take all my money from me. So let's get started of what I purchased today from Kroger's.